All right, all right, all right. All right, I'm back at it again today with NAS100. My name is Zakar, as you guys already know. Super excited to be here. Um, and yeah, let's just go back to what we were going over last week in regards to Nas, right? So last week we wanted to see what is Nas doing, right? So by the way, let's just matter of fact, let me start over. So as you guys already know, the monthly time frame overall, we're on a bullish run, right? Right now, we just have a high low over here, temporarily to see. And if you look at it based off Fibonacci standpoint, right, you're going to see that right there to over there is about it's about a 50%, right? 50 or 61.8, right? And 61.8 and 50%. Just disregard everything you see right here, family. Just look at where this. You see this right here, this little thing that's right across. Just look at that. Okay, so as you can see right here is a 50% and the 618, right? So let's just say you want to see the full fit, right? So you see right there, boom, 50%, 618. Right there, 50%, 618. So that's the zone that is in right now. So we already know that's a strong zone, and it could definitely keep running on the bullish side, depending on what price is doing in the next few, you know, hours, days, weeks, months, anything of choice. Okay, so now, last week we wanted to see because price was right here last week, right? This was last week. Okay, as of this week, that is yet to open, right? It starts right here. So this was 2 weeks ago, and this was last week. Okay, this bearish candle right here last week. Okay, now what are the days in that last week? We have Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Right. So this is Monday right here. So this is where the new candle started. Okay. So pay attention now. Right. So this was Monday. All right. Now change that to blue. Thicken it a little bit. Okay. So that is Monday. Now let's go to the down. So all throughout last week, guys, price was literally bearish. All throughout last week, right? And if you remember, right, price right now is above the 38.2. He hasn't even gotten to that area yet. And right now, price is, on his way over there. All because of the pressure that happened last week. Now, the only way price will not continue to go bearish, the only way price will not continue to go bearish is if it comes to that price level right here that has max breaks, this lowest point. As long as it doesn't break below this lowest point, this area right here, right? And put a sign over it. This is a daily time frame, by the way, guys. Just pay attention. Okay, as long as price doesn't break below, doesn't break and close. All right, so let's do this. Okay, yeah. As long as price doesn't come and break below this price level of 14445.0 and closes below it with a bearish candle and closes below this price level, it will definitely continue to go up. It will appreciate back in value. It will come right above, right? Right above, close, keep running. But now let's just say it does not um stop the bearish run at that price level or anywhere around this zone right now. Anywhere around this zone right now is a place of interest, right? It's a place of interest to determine if it's going to continue going bullish or bearish. Okay, so let's pay attention. Why is that a place of interest? Because that's a strong solid zone right now, as you can see on the weekly time frame. That has a sign right here, right? This blue indicates that's a weekly zone. So that's a weekly demand zone that price is in right now. And as long as price doesn't close below it, it will reverse back to continue going bullish, or it will close below and continue going bearish, which is what we have the markup already for the future, right? To see which one it ends up, going with. But just know that a lot of things are about to happen, and a lot of areas are about to be taken out and cleared. Okay, we have these right here. Right, we have those. Like literally, guys, these are all areas that price still has to come and clear. Um, if if it was to go any further towards the bearish side, if it was to go any further towards the bearish side, guys, these are the areas that we should be looking of interest. And if it doesn't go bearish, then we already have our target areas over here above. So pay attention to price action, guys. It's really a simple thing, and this is all based on the daily time frame. It's up to your discretion. This is all for educational, entertainment, and growth purposes. Spiritually, you have to realize that you always gotta put yourself first before anybody else, but most importantly, put God first before yourself. Okay. And just know that life goes on no matter what. So yeah, appreciate y'all once again. Have a blessed one. Let's have a profitable time in the market.